Hello, I'm here today to talk about our best-selling black cast iron table base. We have here with an MFC top on. This particular one is dine-in height. It's also available in coffee and poser height and can be cut down to achieve a specific bespoke height if you want to as well. It's available in square bottom and round bottom. This particular one obviously being square, they are a little bit more stable. They'll take up to a 1500 diameter tabletop. It's an easy white clean powder coat finish with a slight mottled effect, and underneath we have adjustable feet, so if you have an unstable floor that can be alleviated.